Storm C here for this help video on parallel programming. One of the challenges you are facing with your Greenbelt training is to write programs that are going on concurrently, that is, at the same time. Scratch is a pretty incredible program because it is letting you learn some of the concepts of parallel computing without having to deal with explicit parallel programming constructs. Let's think about this for a second. A computer processor thinks in sequence. Look at this robot. Even though it is not patting its head or rubbing her tummy, think about how you would program her to pat her head and rub her tummy at the same time. You would need to tell her, start patting head, keep patting head, start rubbing tummy, keep rubbing tummy. They may appear to be happening simultaneously, but there was a short delay between when the robot started patting her head and starting rubbing her tummy. But now all sorts of computing devices, robots, cell phones, laptops, and supercomputers, have multi- and many-core processors. It means that you can ask your robot to start patting head and at the same time start rubbing tummy. Both processes start at the same time. They are no longer sequential, they are now parallel. Learning to solve problems using parallel computing will be a much-needed skill. I think it is fantastic that Scratch lets you start thinking in parallel. Synchronizing different tasks is one of the greatest obstacles to getting good parallel program performance. So we are going to start small. Let me show you the 3 programs that are running in parallel in our sample animated Mother's Day card. The first one, when start key clicked, switch to background, small hearts. The second, when start key clicked, switch to costume, baby and bear. And the third, wait 8 seconds and then play the sound, I love you, until done. Why 8 seconds? Because that is exactly the time it needs to start at the same time as the other 2 scripts. So that's it. You have begun to understand a little bit about parallel computing. We live in exciting times.